I don't know what to say. I'm already shy, mate, we gotta stop. I'd also quickly like to say that the car's on dolly, and usually not this high, because that is not okay.
We can't sit like that.
No? No. What's the first? And hello, welcome. It's just gotta be hello, welcome.
Then you sound like you're going to explain that.
Do I? Hello, everybody! Yeah! You're engineering explain out the fucking Russian background.
Yeah, true.
We're definitely not engineering explain, we do stupid shit. We don't do anything with logic, we break stuff for no reason. So, what's the first sentence?
We've just got to introduce ourselves, mate,
right
away.
Hello and welcome everyone to the build series of my 1JZ S15 that hopefully we will be making an absolutely savage car. I'm Nico, I own Clean Style, and this is Matt from THL.
Hello, I'm Nico's full-time carer.
So what he does is he fixes my mistakes that I make when I think I know what I'm doing with cars pretty much. He's probably the closest he'll get to knowing what's happening with their chassis, and I'm probably the furthest. So, oh thank you, yeah, no worries. I've had the car for about 3 years now. It started off quite basic, on standard twin turbos, 1JZ, standard power, and as I progressed drifting, I started lifting the power of the car. In all honesty, it was never going to go into this forged direction. We got our hands on forged internals, on quite expensive stuff for a good price, and we were like, you know what, let's just go balls deep on the build. Done a few drift days in it, and it's still a street driven car, and it will still be a street driven car, but obviously now it's gone up to spec where we got invited to do drift demos with Castle Coombe. It needed a roll cage, and it'll need, you know, fire extinguishers and stuff like that, so it'll start to get more spec as it goes. Why are we building it? Why are we building it? To see what can be done. We don't really know why we're building it.
We're building it to be a fun party car. Yeah, with a stupid amount of power.
For no reason at all, to be honest. So the plan is, the goal is, you know, make sort of like 600-700 horsepower hopefully, and then have like a drifting map with around 500-600 horsepower to not break gearboxes hopefully, maybe, which will probably still happen anyway. But it's more of a just see what can be done really. Throw some parts together, map it, and see what it makes really, and see if it's fun.
Can you see that it's got no turbo on it in the picture?
Not really.
So the car's got a stock 1J non-VVTi engine in it out of a JZX90. It's basically just got a piggyback ECU and a big whole set turbo on it. We're going to throw all of that in the bin. We're going to go full standalone, big injectors, fully forged bottom end and balance, bore the block out to 86.5mm, head gasket, ARP studs, all the good stuff. Put a nice big turbo on it and see what it can make.
Yeah, we went from wanting to give it like an OEM refresh and head studs and head gasket to full overboard for some reason, and now it's going full forged, full everything, see what it can make basically. So one of the major issues with this engine and this chassis is obviously the fact that it was never meant to be in there. So when I did the single turbo swap about a year ago now, I sort of realised a lot of parts had to be custom made, there's no off-the-shelf options, and that's something we'll be having in this build series again. Parts are going to be custom, parts are going to have to be modified, and there's going to be a lot of fabricated stuff. Like for example, we want to do front tubs, but the aftermarket intake manifold, the front-facing plenum, it's not going to fit with the tubs. So it's a question of, you know, do you shorten the runners, do you notch the tub, and stuff like that that, you know, we're going to have to overcome over time, which should be quite interesting. So we've obviously got the S15 in the team, we've got Dan's Navan S14 Jap import as well, and then behind us we have Matt's 180SX, which is, you know, his sort of fun street party car. Just give us a basic introduction about it really.
Yeah, it's a fully forged SR20 out of an S14. It runs a straight cab ECU wiring loom, it's got R8 coils on it, Apex Power FC. Yeah, it makes 400 horsepower, so it's pretty fun, pretty simple. It's got a bolting roll cage in it, and it's pretty much like Drift Cup-ish spec in the UK, so yeah, it's pretty good.
So both cars run the THL locket on it, which consists of the rocker knuckles, the low control arms, and the subframes. And with Matt obviously having fabricated these and us testing them, he can give you a bit of details about them.
Yeah, so the rocking knuckles that we've got here, they're 50mm drop knuckles, they're 60mm roll centre correction, and coupled with the lower control arms and the subframe, it gives you near enough zero Ackerman. The subframes that we make relocate the rack 45mm further forward, so over centering is absolutely not an issue anymore. It's not like the Stone Age 25mm relocation. And the lower control arms are two-piece. They're not like a standard item, they're a completely standalone custom piece. Rose jointed, they use a factory S15 ball joint, so if we wear them out we can just change them over. And yeah, everything's powder coated white, it's pretty good, drives amazing.
It allows you to run your cars pretty low and still drive nice. So the car and the build really is funded by my company CleanSell. So if you want to have a look on there and support, there'll be a website link in the description. Obviously, you know, Matt and TeamHanginLoose is making this whole thing possible because I can build an engine and I can start welding and fabricating stuff up. So that all wouldn't be possible without them. We've got so many other people, so many other sponsors, so many helpful people behind the camera and in front of it, helping us produce this and make this possible. So there's a massive thanks to everyone.
Thanks for watching this quick intro. Be sure to give us a subscribe for more episodes, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, mate. Right, let's see what this whole like.
Ooh! Mate, it's a spotty doggo!
Another one.
Oh, there's another one!
Hello and welcome. No,
this is like, hey guys!
Oh,
That chance to comb your vehicle.
yeah, same boys. Anyone got comb?
No.
This is.
Matt.
No, that's terrible. Hello and welcome everyone. No.
Is that bad?
No,
let's just go balls deep
it
on the
doesn't matter.
field.
So fun car to
You're
kind
gonna
of.
have to start again because I was looking at the car. It runs a straight cam ECU. It runs a straight cam ECU with wiring loop.
Okay, again, mate.
Okay.
Slap my face.
Luke is going to laugh.
I can't fucking.
And give us a subscribe for more episodes.
Oh shit. Wow, that's shit. Jesus Christ. That was so monotonic. Just go like blah blah blah. Thanks for watching this quick intro.
Blah blah blah. Thanks for watching this quick intro.
Yeah, that's it. Done.
So thanks for watching this intro.
Wow, that's it. That is it.